from grade 7. In this morning, we are gonna make traditional Indonesian food that is called RUJAK. Here are the tools. Water. Large bowl.
Nice. Water.
Are you ready, kids? Today we will be making RUJAK. First ingredient, pineapple.
RUJAK. Get it? Chilies. Mango. Guava. Water apple. Cucumber. Salt. Papaya. Sugar.
Cucumber.
Alright, these are the steps to clean our fruits. First, we rinse it with our hands. Then, after we clean the fruits, we put it in the bowl, the large bowl actually. After that, and first, Nabila will mix the chilies in the mortar until they're fully smashed. Give it a second. Wait until it's all mixed. Then we could add the sugar and salt. We're not gonna